Israel returned from Babylon. The exile was over. But returning to the land is not the same as returning to the Lord. The altar stood, but the house remained unfinished. Years passed, and excuses multiplied. They built their homes with care, but God's house waited. Comfort came first. Worship came later. Haggai speaks clearly. Look at your lives. You sow much, yet reap little. You work hard, yet remain empty. Disorder in priorities leads to drought in blessing. Heaven closed what Israel ignored. God does not condemn without direction. He commands, go up the mountain, bring wood, rebuild. When leaders respond, a people awaken. The spirit of the remnant was stirred. Some wept. This temple seemed small. They remembered Solomon's glory and felt diminished. God answers, the glory of this latter house shall be greater than the former, not by size, but by presence. God will shake heaven and earth. What is temporary will tremble. What is eternal will remain. Defilement spreads easily. Holiness does not. Obedience must be intentional. When the foundation was laid in obedience, God declared, from this day forward, blessing. God calls Zerubbabel his signet ring, a symbol of royal authority. The line of David was not forgotten. The temple was never the final structure. It pointed forward to one who would say, destroy this temple, and I will raise it. Haggai is not about ancient stone. It is about alignment. God still asks, will you rebuild my house or only your own? Like, comment, and share if you believe. Subscribe for more content.